Hi friends, Courage here from tradingwithtan.com. So I decided to create a new account where I want to do a $20 to $500 challenge. So I'm trying to deposit $20 and trade it up to $500. So I created a new account on Deriv. So what I want to do is I want to connect this account to Metatrader, and also I'll show you how to connect this account to Metatrader. So there's two things that I'm going to do here. I'm going to connect it on my laptop, and then I will connect it on my phone so that you can see. If you're using a laptop, you are going to see this video first, and if you are using your phone, I'll put a timestamp so that you can jump direct to where you connect these accounts using your phone. So right now I'm on my laptop. Let me go to my account. So this is Deriv. So if you are using another broker which is Deriv, the process should be the same. All you need is an ID and your password. So your account ID and your password. So I already have an account. Let me go to my account and then connect it to Metatrader. So I have this account that I created right here. So all I need to do is copy this number here, which is my account ID. So I copy that, and then I'll go direct to MetaTrader 5, and then I'll click on File. Once I click on File, I'll go to Open. I will go to Login Trade Account. I click on that, and I'm going to see this link here. So what I want to do here is I want to paste in my account login ID, and then I will type in my password. Then I will change the Deriv to Deriv server, right? And I'll click OK. So once I do that,
incoming mail.
Okay, so once I do that, I'm in my new Deriv account. If I go to balance here, you are going to see there is $20.27 that I deposited right now. So what I want to do is trade this account and try to make this account go from $20 up to $500. So I don't know if this is gonna happen, but I'm going to try. This is a challenge. So if you want to see this challenge, I'm going to be recording and documenting each and every step of the process, and I'm going to be uploading those videos starting very soon. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of the videos where I will be doing that challenge, and you are going to learn a lot because I'm going to be explaining how I'm doing things. If I do the things wrong, I'm going to explain what went wrong, and if I do things right, I'm going to explain what went right and what should you do. Now let's go into the phone version, and I'm going to show you how I connect this account to my MetaTrader 5 on my phone. On your phone, the process is the same. It's very easy. All you need to do is click on your account and choose the account that you want to connect to MetaTrader. So you want to write down the account ID, or you just want to copy it, right? So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy my account ID, and then I'm going to go back to MetaTrader. So I will click on MetaTrader. Once I click on MetaTrader, I'm going to click here where it says accounts, and then I'll click manage accounts, and I'll add new account. Once I click add new account, I will select my broker right here. So I will click Deriv, and then I will paste in my account ID, so the one that I copied. And then now I will type in my password, and make sure it's on Deriv server, and then I'll click login. Now as you can see, I have my account logged in here with $20. No history, I just have a deposit of $20. So starting from today, I will be trying to grow this account from $20 to $500. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I have this series coming up next showing you how I did it, how I will be doing it, everything in the step. If I fail, I will show you that I have failed. If I make it, I will show you that I have made it. So that's how it's gonna go. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to see you in the next one with this small account.